Hello, students. A very good morning to you all. Today, coming to the end of the chapter, we are going to discuss about the exercises given on page number 92 of your textbook. We saw in the chapter about Shahjahan, okay, the son of Jahangir who had become the ruler, and like Akbar he wanted to expand his kingdom. Okay, we saw the empire prospered during his reign. People were happy, they had peace and security. Portuguese came to India for trading. They were interested in buying spices and cotton textile. We saw about art and architecture under Shah Jahan's reign. The most magnificent building that was built by him was Taj Mahal. Okay, it is in Agra. It was built in memory of Shah Jahan's wife Mumtaz Mahal. And after Shah Jahan's death, he himself was also buried beside his wife. We saw about Red Fort in Delhi, okay, which was built for the royal families to live in. There were khas, Diwane Am and Diwane Khas. Okay, now every year our Prime Minister unfurls the national flag from the Red Fort and gives speech to the country. We saw about the other monuments built by him were Jama Masjid in Agra and Jama Masjid in Delhi and Moti Masjid in Agra. Okay, we saw this. We saw about his interest in the architecture and the golden throne that was built by him, the peacock, beautiful peacock throne, and it was stolen by Nadir Shah. Okay, it was taken to Persia. Shah Jahan's reign ended with a war. His son put him into prison, and daughter Jahanara took care of him in the last days. We learnt about this in chapter Shah Jahan, 14th chapter. Now, discussing about the exercises given on page number 92 of your textbook. I want everyone to open their textbook page 92. If you are not sitting with your textbook just now while watching video, please put a pause on your video, get your textbook so that you can follow properly. Okay, just listening to the video make no sense. Okay, try to follow and do it accordingly. Things will be very easy for you. Fill in the blanks. Shah Jahan became the ruler of the Mughal Empire in the year. I repeat. Shah Jahan became the ruler of the Mughal Empire in the year 1627 CE. I repeat, 1627 CE. I have heard many students asking what is CE and what is BCE. CE is Christ era and BCE is before Christ era. Second one. Shah Jahan captured Ahmednagar in the Dash region. I repeat, Shah Jahan captured Ahmednagar in the Deccan region. Okay, it is Deccan. I am again reminding you, if you are not sitting with your textbook, it will be good, it will be in your benefit. Do it, follow the instruction so that your work can be completed on time. Next, in the 15th century CE, the Dash came to India as traders. Answer to this is Portuguese. Portuguese. I repeat, Portuguese. Portuguese. The dash in Agra is made of white marble. I repeat, the dash in Agra, it is a monument built by Shah Jahan, is made of white marble. It is Taj Mahal. T-H-A, Taj, M-A-H-A-L, Taj Mahal. The last blank. The dash was the golden throne of Shah Jahan. Okay, it is peacock throne. Which throne? The dash was the golden throne. It is peacock throne. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock throne. T-H-R-O-N-E. Peacock throne. Okay, I hope you have written the answers of the blanks. Now, moving ahead with right, true or false. I repeat, right, true or false. Shah Jahan was the Mughal ruler of Persia. Oh no, the ruler of Persia was Nadir Shah and not Shah Jahan. So, it is false. Okay, Shah Jahan was the Mughal ruler of India and not of Persia. Shah Jahan conquered Bijapur in North India. Those who have read the chapter carefully, they must be knowing that Bijapur is not North India, it is South India. Okay, North India was already under his control, so he wanted to move towards south. Okay, so it is false. The Moti Masjid is located in Agra. The Moti Masjid is located in Agra. Yes, it is true. Okay. Moti Masjid at Agra and Jama Masjid in Delhi. Please do not mix up. Moti Masjid is located in Agra. True. Now question 2D. Shah Jahan was buried in the Agra fort. Shah Jahan was buried in the Agra fort. He was not buried in the Agra fort, children. He was buried in Taj Mahal besides his wife. Agra fort was no doubt built by him, but he was not buried there. He was buried in Taj Mahal. At Agra only, but not Agra fort. Okay? So try to understand the difference. Agra word has come does not mean true. Try to reason out the thing. Now 2E. Shah Jahan was succeeded by Jahangir. Shah Jahan was succeeded by Jahangir. It is false. Okay. Shah Jahan was not succeeded by Jahangir. Shah Jahan was succeeded by Aurangzeb. Okay. Now, next one. Question 3. Match the columns. Okay. Match the columns. In column A, we have Bernier, Portuguese traders, the Taj Mahal, Diwane Am, and Jama Masjid. In column B, we have interested in spice trade, largest mosque in India, a foreign traveler to India, a dome and 4 towers, Red Fort. Now, we are going to match column A with column B. Okay, in A we have Bernier. Now Bernier, we are going to match it with a foreign traveler to India. I repeat, Bernier, we are going to match with a foreign traveler to India. Now, B. Portuguese traders. Portuguese traders. Now, Portuguese traders were interested in spice trade. I repeat, interested in spice trade. Spices is nothing but all the masalas that are in our kitchen. Okay, if you ask your mama, she will always show you the spices. Okay, it is black pepper and jeera and cumin seeds, cardamom. Okay, these all are spices, and India is very famous for the spices. Next one is the Taj Mahal. We are going to match it with a dome and four towers. I repeat, a dome and four towers. Next one, Diwane Am. I repeat, Diwane Am. Okay, it is a building inside Red Fort. Okay, there are two buildings, Diwane Am and Diwane Khas. So this is building inside Red Fort. So we are going to match it with Red Fort. With Red Fort. Then the last one is Jama Masjid. Okay, so we are going to match Jama Masjid with largest mosque in India. I repeat, largest mosque in India. So I hope you are doing the exercises along with me only to make your work easy and comfortable. You can always pause the video, check the answer. Those who have done, I had told in the previous video to read the chapter again and again and again. Try to do the exercises given on page number 92 so that when we will discuss the answers in the video, you can do self check, okay, and know that what mistake you have made in writing the answer. Okay, now choose the correct answer. First one, Shahjahan's father was, I repeat, Shahjahan's father was Humayun, Babur, Jahangir, Akbar. Okay, the answer to this is Jahangir. Next one, which of these areas was Shah Jahan unable to conquer? I repeat, which of these areas was Shah Jahan unable to conquer? Here we have Bijapur, Kandahar, Ahmednagar, and Golconda. Here the answer is Kandahar. Okay, we saw that when he tried to conquer Kandahar, he failed to do so. Okay, means he could not conquer Kandahar. See, the Taj Mahal was built in memory of Jahangir, Akbar, Mumtaz Mahal, Humayun. Okay, Taj Mahal was built in memory of Mumtaz Mahal, okay, wife of Shah Jahan. Next, on 15 August, the Prime Minister of India unfurls the Indian flag at the Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Moti Masjid, Jama Masjid. The answer to this is the Red Fort. Okay, it is Red Fort. And the last one, that is Nadir Shah took the peacock throne to Afghanistan, Persia, Bijapur, Golconda. It is Persia. Okay, Nadir Shah was the king of Persia, so he took the peacock throne to Persia. Now, as I told you, okay, to fill in the exercises. If you have tried out to write the answers of the question in study book, fine. If not, it is okay. We are going to discuss. Answer the following questions. Who became the Mughal emperor after Jahangir and when? Shah Jahan became the Mughal emperor after Jahangir in 1627 CE. I repeat, Shah Jahan became the Mughal emperor after Jahangir in 1627 CE. Okay. Next, why was Shah Jahan's reign called the Golden Age of the Mughal Empire? I repeat, why was Shah Jahan's reign called the Golden Age of the Mughal Empire? The answer to this question is Shah Jahan's reign was called the Golden Age of the Mughal Empire because during his rule, people were happy and the empire prospered. There was law and order. The empire had peace and security. Children, this can be written in points if you want to write in points. Okay. The first point would be during his rule, people were happy and the empire prospered. Second point will be there was law and order. Third point will be the empire had peace and security. Okay. You can write if you want to write in points. Choice is yours. Next question. Why did the Portuguese traders come to India? I repeat. Why did the Portuguese traders come to India? Portuguese traders came to India as they were interested in buying spices and cotton textile from India. I repeat, Portuguese traders came to India as they were interested in buying spices and cotton textiles from India. Next, name two important monuments built by Shah Jahan. I repeat, name two important monuments built by Shah Jahan. Two important monuments built by Shah Jahan are the Red Fort and the Taj Mahal. I repeat, the Red Fort and the Taj Mahal. Last question. Where was Shah Jahan buried? I repeat, where was Shah Jahan buried? After Shah Jahan's death. Here A would be capital. After Shah Jahan's death, he was buried besides his wife in the Taj Mahal. Okay, I repeat, after Shah Jahan's death, he was buried besides his wife in the Taj Mahal. Now, here we come to the end of the chapter. Okay, hard words will be posted to you so that you can complete your classwork with a new page, the date, the heading of the chapter, hard words followed by question answers. Okay, the lesson seemed pretty, easy compared, very short chapter. These are, chapters that if you read and remember, no need to, sit and mug up any answer. you can write in your own words also. It will be more beneficial of you to read the chapter. As I keep on saying, you must be thinking that madam is repeating same thing again and again and again. But yes, children, I am doing it for you. Please please cultivate the habit of reading the chapter. Thank you all. Thank you all. Have a nice day, children. Thank you. Thank you so much.